Hi everyone, at Digital Colmer here, and today I'm going to be talking about when not to use artificial intelligence. So welcome back, AI enthusiasts. We're flipping the script. Forget about AIing everything. Instead, let's talk about when to keep AI on the bench. Are you ready for some AI tough love? Let's go. So here we are. Wally is back today. Brought him out of retirement. Here we have a bit of an AI robot with a do not enter sign. Just because we can use AI doesn't mean we should. It's like bringing a flamethrower to toast marshmallows. It's impressive, but it's a little bit of overkill. So let's move to our next sketch down here. Here we have a decision tree. So when should we hit the AI brakes? Well, when we're using, for example, simple problems. So if a spreadsheet can do what we need to do, use a spreadsheet. Don't overcomplicate it. If you have limited data, AI is very hungry. It's like a hungry teenager, likes to eat lots of data. So if we have lots of data, then great. If not, we might consider traditional methods. Explainability is crucial. If you can't explain it, you can't defend it. So if you need high levels of explainability, maybe a rules-based option is the best way to go. High stakes decisions. So life or death choices where you might want, for example, 100% accuracy. Maybe let humans handle those types of things. So you can see some of these outlined on that decision tree down there. Wonderful. Also, think about over here the cost benefit analysis. I'll move this back a little bit so you can see it. Remember the golden rule? AI should solve problems, not create them. So if the cost outweighs the benefits, it's time to reconsider. Team? Awesome. Here we have simple cup of coffee. Analogy alert. Using AI for every task is like asking a rocket scientist to make your morning coffee, isn't it? So they could design a nuclear-powered coffee maker, but really, is that necessary for your caffeine fix? Sounds a bit like overkill to me. Don't forget the well-architected framework is your AI sanity check. So it's like having a wise old mentor asking, but why, young Padawan, would you do this before you dive into AI chaos? And then finally, I've got a quick case study. About 2 or 3 years ago, I bought a house. Now, would I use AI to calculate the predicted house price or value of the house I want to buy? The answer is no. I'm going to use simple mathematical rules because it's much simpler. So I'm using visual linear regression. But say I was running a business. I wanted to buy houses at scale and had access to large amounts of data. And it was very difficult to code these in rules. And I wanted to monetize it. That could be a good use case for using AI. Wonderful. So let me turn now to the exam lifesaver tips. Know when traditional methods are better. Understand the importance of data quantity and quality. Remember ethical and explainability concerns. Recognize the value of human oversight, particularly in critical decision making. Congratulations! You're now equipped you're now equipped when to say no to AI. That's a 900 score in the exam, we hope. So, if this video has computed well in your human brain, don't let an AI decide. You decide and hit that like and subscribe button for more AI wisdom. I'll see you in the next episode. You take care. Digital Colmer signing off.